So today I'm gonna show you how to add your Cash App on the DoorDash app, even without your actual Cash App debit card. Now we're here on the homepage of our DoorDash. You can see right over here, it's highlighted with the home. If you go all the way to the right-hand side, you're gonna see the Me tab over here with the profile icon. Let's click on this. And then from here, it's gonna take you to this new page over here. And you can see where it says settings and it has that little gear icon. Let's click on this. And then from the settings page right over here, you're gonna see where it has the word payments. You could either click on that word or the right-hand arrow. And then from here, you're gonna see any payments you already have. And then if you scroll down just a little bit, you're gonna see where it says Cash App Pay. You could again, either click on the word or the right-hand arrow. And what this is gonna do right over here is going to actually go ahead and open up your Cash App, and it's going to go right over here where it's going to ask you to go ahead and confirm to add your Cash App as a payment method. If you want to go ahead and do this, we're going to click on the word confirm here at the bottom. It's going to go ahead and ask for your Cash App PIN. This is your debit card PIN or your account PIN that you set together. You're going to go ahead and plug that in and click on next. And then from right over here, it takes you back into the DoorDash account and you can see where it says Cash App Pay, and it should have your cash tag that you are logged into with your Cash App account directly on DoorDash now. Now there's more content to show you here when it comes to your finances, so check out our video right over here on screen.